Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe on Ryujinx. First, you will need to download the Ryujinx emulator from its official website. After that, acquire the required Nintendo Switch firmware and production keys. These are crucial for the emulator to function correctly. Finally, open Ryujinx and navigate to the settings menu to configure it for the best possible performance. This initial setup is vital for a smooth gaming experience. Now that Ryujinx is set up, it is time to add Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. You will need to acquire the game file, typically in XCI or NSB format. Once you have it, simply drag and drop the file directly into the Ryujinx window to install it. Do not forget to apply any available game updates and downloadable content to ensure you have the complete and most current experience. This step gets you closer to the racetrack. A good controller setup is essential for Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. Head over to the Ryujinx input settings to begin configuring your preferred controller. You will need to carefully map your physical controller buttons to the corresponding virtual Nintendo Switch controls. Take your time to ensure every button is assigned correctly. After mapping, launch the game and test your controller thoroughly to confirm everything works perfectly before your first race. To enhance your Mario Kart 8 Deluxe experience, consider adjusting the graphics settings within Ryujinx. Aim for a good balance between visual quality and a stable frame rate. Enabling asynchronous GPU emulation can significantly contribute to smoother gameplay, reducing stutters. With these optimizations, you are all set to enjoy countless hours of racing fun, whether you are challenging friends or competing against the computer. Have a fantastic time on the track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.